Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to do a thumb block, which looks like this. Yep, that's pretty much it. So really, let's be honest, you don't need a tutorial for a thumb block because I'm pretty sure from the thumbnail alone, you can just copy it from that. But if you're still confused and you need a tutorial, no worries my guy, I got you. And later on in a few moments, I'll be explaining as well why we use the thumb block and how to use the thumb block. So, without further ado, let's hop right into it. Now to do the thumb block, all you need to do is pinch your thumb and index finger together and throw the karambit over. It automatically gets into this position where your thumb is placed on the middle part of the grip of the karambit. Now, don't be mistaken, you don't want to just pinch it like that and just do that, because there's always going to be this possibility where you can get cut. So what you want to do is you're going to do it from the karambit flip or the backspin. Once you go halfway up, you're going to pinch your fingers together so it goes into this position. So let's try that again. Boom. And that's the thumb block for you. So the thumb block is actually one of the most basic and fundamental movements of karambit flipping / tricking. It's used primarily to stop momentum. Now when I say stop momentum, what do I mean by that? Stop momentum. So let's say you're going full 360. Stop momentum. You go halfway instead. That's pretty much it. Now, why do we want to stop momentum? Simply said, efficiency. What do I mean by efficiency? Efficiency as in, let's say you want to do this combo, but you want to do it faster. How can you go faster? Thumb block. So, we're going to use a thumb block way faster because it stops midway and goes into the combo like that. Alright, so you got the gist of it. Now I'm pretty sure you want to try out some combos. So, let's get into it. Combo number 1, easy. Just like earlier, we're doing this combo, we're going to utilize the thumb block. So, thumb block, forward extension, back into your palm. Let's try that faster. 1, 2, 3. Done. Combo number 2, a little bit harder. We're going to change directions from here to here. So we're going to go forward extension, roll through thumb block, forward extension, and up into our palm. Got it? Let's try that again. Got it. And combo number 3, slightly a little bit harder again, we're going to use more roll throughs. So from here, we're going to go forward extension, roll through thumb block, roll through forward extension, and back into our palm. Got it? Let's try that again. And there you go, combo number 3. So now you got all the combos, 1, 2, 3. Now if you put them all together, you actually have this. Pretty cool, right? Give it a try. And so that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful, I hope you found it useful, and I hope you learned something new. My name is Ryan Ross, and I'll see you on the next video.